this question is from Algebra. In this question, we are given 6 variables from A to F representing 6 numbers in some order. In some order means that it is not necessary that first variable is represented by the first number or the last variable is represented by the last variable. They can be in any order. Apart from this, we are given 3 equations formed by these 6 variables, and we need to find the sum of these 3 variables A, C and F. We will be solving this question in 4 parts. So let's see what is part 1 to solve this question. In part 1, first of all, we will name these 3 equations, equation 1, equation 2 and equation 3. Now we will subtract equation 2 from equation 1. We will subtract equation 2 from equation 1. If we subtract equation 2 from equation 1, what we will get? We will get A minus C is equals to C minus D. Now what does it mean? A minus C is equals to C minus D. Please think carefully. Please think carefully. What does this mean? This means that A, C and D are in AP. Yes, they are in arithmetic progression. Correct? Now, what all numbers do we have? We have 4, 12, 15, 27, 31 and 39. Now, out of these 6 numbers, which are these 3 numbers which will be in AP? These 3 numbers will be 15, 27 and 39. See, 15 plus 12 will give us 27. 27 plus 12 will give us 39. So these 3 numbers will be in AP. So if 15, 27 and 39 are in AP, what can be the value of A, C and D? The value of A, C and D can be 15, 27, 39, or it can be 39, 27 and 15. Now it can be any one of these 2 triplets. But please see carefully, look at equation number 1. Equation number 1, we will get to know that C is greater than A. Yes, C is greater than A. If C is greater than A, definitely this second triplet in which C is smaller than A will not be applicable. This will not be applicable because here C is smaller than A. Whereas in the question it is given that C is greater than A. We can get to this conclusion that C is greater than A from equation number 1. Yes, C is greater than A. So the only applicable triplet for A, C, D is 15, 27 and 39. That means the value of A will be 15 and the value of C will be 27. Yes, so this is the value of A and C. Now we will jump to second part of the solution. In second part of the solution, we will be using equation 1 to find the value of B. Let's find the value of B using equation number 1. So we will get A is 15 plus B and C is 27. From here, we can say that the value of B is 12. The value of B is 12. Yes. So we have found out one more variable's value. That is B equals to 12. Correct? Let's jump to third part of the solution. In third part, we will be using equation 2 to find the value of variable D. Let's use equation 2. In equation 2, value of B is 12, that we have just found out. Value of C is 27. That will give us the value of D. So the value of D will turn out to be 39. So this is the value of D. Okay. Now let's jump to part 4. In part 4, we will be using equation third to find out the value of f and e. Please look at the top left corner. 39 is the value of d. So 39 cannot be used. 12 is already used because value of b is 12. 15 is also used. 15 is the value of a and 27 is the value of c. Now we are left with 31 and 4. Look at the top left corner. We are left with 4 and 31. Correct? And the equation is, third equation is c plus e equals to f. C is 27. 27 plus e is equals to f. Now out of 4 and 31, we can clearly see that value of e will be 4. Value of e will be 4 and the value of f will be 31. Yes, that means we will get the value of f as 31. Correct? Let's put it in a box. And what do we need to find out? We need to find the value of a, c and f. Correct? The value of a plus c plus f. A is 15, c is 27 and f is 31. Correct? So our final answer is a plus c plus f will be equals to 73. This will be our final answer. This will be our final answer. Value of a plus c plus f is 73.